You alright?
Hey, what are you doing? I'm trying to turn back around and I caught an edge and my head is killing me.
Hey, how does that feel? I think we saw it.
I haven't crashed any harder than that ever in my life.
Really?
That really, really hurt.
Really? Where'd you hit?
What happened?
You got right through.
What the hell happened to my head?
Some black guy put it right in your butt.
Yeah.
You can't trust the blacks on skis.
No.